welcome to Chuangjingrui Electronics Company Limited with a brand new video. Today I would like to show you one of our most hot selling machine, which is a headset welding machine. Before let's talk about the machine, now I would like to discuss about something our companies. Our company name is Chuangjingrui Electronics Company Limited, which is situated in Shenzhen, China. And this company area is more than 5,000 square meter, and the employee is more than 100 plus. And we are truly manufacturer for face mask making machine, PCB splitter, and automation industries. Now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work, so he can operate me, so he can see how it's work. So basically this is the feeding station, so we can put in material here, and this is the suction area, and it sucks the mass and send to here. As you can see, this is the welding part. This is the welding part, and after welding, it goes to this area. And this is the whole machining area. As you can see, this is the servo motor. And come here, and as you can see, this is the final product. And the production process is so fast. Thanks to all of you to watching our video. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe our channel and give a like. And if you have any inquiries regarding our machine, you can feel free to contact with us. Thank you.